Yeah, Mr. Tenin K Sen, hearty congratulations on securing All India rank 58 in Instrumentation branch of Engineering in GATE 2022.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Tenin, please tell us what type of coaching program that you have availed from our AC Engineering Academy?
I have enrolled for the deep learn course.
Deep learn recorded classes, right?
Yes, recorded class.
What type of subscription you have taken?
I have taken 1 year subscription.
1 year subscription. Okay. Mr. Tenin, can I know about your educational background?
Sir, I have completed my BTech from NSS College of Engineering in Palakkad, Kerala.
When?
I have passed out in 2022. 2020.
2020.
2020.
Okay. So when you take this deep learn recorded coaching program from AS Academy, from which month you have taken? From which month onwards you have taken?
Sir, as you all know, the COVID pandemic in 2020.
Yes.
So our examination was conducted in June, month of June. After that, if my memory is correct, I have enrolled for deep learn on July that year, 2020 July.
2020 July. So from that point of time, 12 months of subscription.
Yes, sir.
So up to 21st June or July one month, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Good. Tenin, tell us how this deep learn recorded class program helped you in cracking this GATE examination, such a good rank.
Sir, the classes gave me the fundamental knowledge. I started watching the videos step by step and completed almost all subjects, and started preparing the notes as well while watching the video. And the classes mainly gave me the knowledge about the GATE exam and the subject knowledge, and that helped me to crack the GATE.
Okay, let me know first of all, are you from instrumentation background or any other branch of engineering?
Sir, I completed my degree in electrical and electronics engineering.
Okay, right. You are from basically electrical branch of
electrical branch.
So you are eligible to appear for instrumentation also. You took instrumentation.
Yes, I have wrote electrical paper also.
So you wrote electrical paper also. What was your rank there?
393.
Okay, right. Understand that 393 rank in electrical engineering and 58th rank in the instrumentation engineering.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. First of all, let me know, Tenin, because you are basically electrical engineering student, why did you want to take GATE exam in instrumentation also? What is your reason?
Sir, when I look into the syllabus of instrumentation, majority of the subjects was same of the electrical engineering, and 2 or 3 subjects was basically main for the core of instrumentation. So I have done 2 choices to appear for electronics and communication paper or instrumentation paper. I thought it would be better for instrumentation since there are many subjects that are common to electrical and instrumentation. So I took instrumentation.
Okay, right. Good. You said that compared to electrical engineering, in instrumentation, 2-3 subjects extra syllabus is there, right?
Yes,
core subjects of instrumentation.
Yes,
can you name them if you remember?
I think some transducers as topic related to transducers something.
Transducers, one topic extra is there in the instrumentation. Anything else?
Yes. In something related to instrumentation, mechanic, something like this. Okay. 2 or something.
Okay. What was the weightage for those 2 subjects?
The weightage was approximate, I think, total of around 15 marks.
15 marks.
15 marks.
So 85% of the paper is common for electrical and instrumentation. Can you say like?
More or less 80 maximum 80% of the paper is.
Okay, 80% of the paper for electrical instrumentation is common.
Yes, sir.
The remaining 20% you have to prepare some core subjects of instrumentation. Right. Okay, I understand. Tenin, because you saw these 2 papers, did you find any difference in the standard of the questions between the instrumentation and the electrical paper?
Instrumentation paper was comparatively easy. The control system and the topics and all, the questions related to control system was comparatively very easy compared to to the electrical engineering paper. And analog and digital, that subject had more weightage in instrumentation paper and compared to electrical. And the problems related to network circuits, that was very easy in the instrumentation engineering paper compared to electrical. Electrical, it was some more complex.
Okay, that's fine, Tenin. So, is it true this year only, or in general, can we say?
That I cannot say, sir.
Okay. Because no, you might have seen, no, why I'm asking, you might have seen the previous papers of GATE examination while preparing.
Yes, sir.
That's why I'm asking. So
I have seen the electrical. I have prepared completely for the electrical engineering papers
right.
only.
Okay, I understand it. That comparison, whatever you said, that is relevant to this particular GATE 2022 papers.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Good. That's what the conclusion.
Okay.
Tenin, see, you have taken this yes deep learn recorded classes for 12 months of subscription.
Yes, sir.
You tell us per day how many hours you used to watch the videos. At what speed is that you used to watch the video? How do you prepare the notes? Please elaborate these points.
Sir, at starting, the duration of the classes was something 5 to 6 hours. I started watching, and speed was normal speed. And gradually, I increased the speed, and they increased the duration of watching, sir. At the last time, about 8 hours per day, I watched the videos in the deep learn with a speed of 2 into. At that time, I could understand the speed, and I was able to write the notes in the, I got the speed. So at last, I watched about 8 hours per day, 2 into speed.
Right. Tenin, how many times you would have watched those videos on each for each subject?
Sir, basically, I watched it only one time. And if there were some doubts or something related to that, I watched some specific topics of each subject more 2 or 3 times, and to clarify my doubts and something. In revision also, some topics, when I got doubt in some topics, I go to that video and take that, clear my doubts.
Okay. And moreover, in our AS deep learn recorded classes coaching program, we have a facility how to raise your doubt, how to get your doubts clarified.
Yes, sir. I have.
To what extent was useful to you? Can you tell?
Yes, sir. I have. When I got doubt, I used to do that, and the professors mailed within, I think, 12 hours. I think I got the reply via email.
Right. So that is very useful for the students, isn't it?
Yes, sir. I got recordings
recordings
as the reply. So that was very comfortable.
Yes, that is absolutely true. And Tenin, one more point.
Yes,
how do you prepare the notes while watching the videos?
Sir, first time when I started watching, I used to pause the video, write the notes. Then it became very much longer. The time utilization was very poor. So then I started to write the notes while watching the video. And when I pause the video when there is more to write and some explanations are needed in the notes. I used to highlight the formulas, important notes with different colors, and that all helped me in the revision process. And basically, I write the notes while watching the video.
So by watching the video, you used to prepare the notes, right? Whenever you want to write more, you used to pause the video, then again you used to write the notes, right?
Yes, sir.
That is the notes what you prepared while watching the videos. And apart from that, did you prepare any further short notes, anything as such?
Yes, sir. I have prepared short notes. I used to write every important formulas, not important, every formulas, and highlighted some major principles, major topic that I will forget. So I have noted that in another report sheets.
Tenin, 1 second. While watching the videos, you prepare the regular notes, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Again, when did you prepare the short notes?
That's in the revision time, sir.
In the revision time, you prepared short notes.
Revision time.
Okay, right. Very good. What was the sequence in which you watched those videos of these different subjects of electrical engineering?
First, I started watching the videos from the network and systems, and have then signals according to the syllabus of the GATE. They have given format. Some orientation was some subjects, but basically it was on the order of the syllabus. And I was the max at the last.
So maths you
Mathematics.
took in the last, right? So daily you said you used to watch about 8 hours also in the last stage of the preparation. Did you
Yes.
watch only one subject, otherwise more than one subject?
No, sir. I watched only one subject at a time. I used to complete one subject full, then go to another subject, something like that.
Okay. How long you used to watch continuously?
Continuously about 2 to 3 hours I watched.
Then you used to take break, right?
Yes, then I used to take break, have
Uh,
some refreshments, and then continue with it.
Continuing. Okay. Then some students will say that sitting at home and watching the videos alone and preparing notes simultaneously, and that too watching videos so long for 6 hours, 7 hours like that, it may lead to some sort of a boredom, some demotivation, etc. What was your experience with this?
Sir, there was no other way. At that time, everything was under lockdown, and
Okay,
only way for that was this online media.
right.
So at that time, we had no other option,
You
and
have to get adjusted, right?
yes, we have to get adjusted to that.
Okay, taking that's fine because that last time there was no what you call possibility except that
No,
taking
yes, sir.
online other this type of program.
Yes,
Suppose you have a chance to attend offline classes as well as to take like yes a deep learn what you have taken regarding classes. So which
yes.
one do you suggest to the students
That depends on the
from
students.
your what was your perspective? Your
I
perspective.
sir, I will choose the classroom coaching, sir, because to get the competitive environment.
Right, right, right. Some people prefer that recorded version also.
Recorded version is also good,
It
that
has its own merits.
we must
Yes,
have some willpower to
yes, yes.
completely watch that.
Yes, yes. There is a difference of opinion among students here. Some students prefer the offline coaching. Some students prefer this program. Right,
Online. Yes, sir.
right. Okay, that's fine. Right. How many times you have made the revisions, Mr. Tenin, each subject?
Sir, about 2 to 3 times.
2 to 3 times
Yes.
you made the revision.
Yes.
And moreover, for GATE examination, solving the previous year's question bank and taking mock tests, they're all very important.
Yes, sir.
How you have done those two?
Sir, when the revision, when during revision time, I will complete my notes, then go to previous year, then solve the questions in the bits and bytes uh, textbooks. Then after that, I go to the test series, topic-wise test series, and in the final time, I go to the full-length mock text.
Yeah, right. So we provided what you call bits and bytes extra booklet which contains the different model questions of the GATE examination.
Yes, sir.
So was it useful for you?
Yes, sir. It was very useful.
Right, right. Okay, that's fine, Tenin. Tenin, this recorded classes are sufficient. Otherwise, any need to refer to any textbook additionally?
Sir, in my experience, I never referred any uh, textbooks. I
Text
completely relied on my notebooks and the previous year questions and all.
are they sufficient?
Yes, sir. That is sufficient. That is good.
Sufficient. Okay, right. Okay, then when you take this full length mock test of ACE Academy,
Yes, sir. I
when
took.
when when you take in which month you have taken?
Sir, actually, sir, this is my second time, and
Okay,
this time I took the full line mock test in November. First
no.
November. I think.
Okay, whenever you get some low marks, etc., in the examination, so how you used to react and what was your approach on that?
Sir, that's very common. I used to do the online test series at randomly. I never prepare for the test series. I take some subject, do test series, and some marks will be given. I will never bother about the mark. I will go to the solutions and I analyze my mistakes and the what type of solution was there and something. I never bothered about the rank. I bothered about the marks so that I can rectify my mistakes. I never bother about the rank. It changes every time.
Right, yes, that is true, Mr. Tenin. See, whenever you get some low marks, etc., you should not worry too much about this because it's only mock exam. From
Yes,
that,
sir.
you should try to learn and see the actual gate paper, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You should not lose our what you call enthusiasm and all just by seeing those low marks.
Yes.
You should always try to learn from those mistakes.
Yes,
That's
sir.
your attitude.
Sir, the wrong questions was much more good, so that I could rectify mistake. When I corrected the questions, that questions I never look for the solution. So that question is completely out. When I make mistakes, that question I revise, so that gets in our mind.
Yes, yes. That's good, Tenin. How did you practice on the virtual calculator?
Sir, that was I practiced. I never practiced more on the virtual calculator. Only during the test series I used the virtual calculator.
Achha. So you didn't download that app. You didn't use
Uh,
the virtual calculator in the preparation time,
not that much. I have downloaded the app, but I
but
have
you didn't
not
use
that
it, right?
not used.
So used the virtual calculator only during the test
Test
taking
series.
process.
Test series.
In fact, in our ES Academy mock test series, we have that virtual calculator in the exam, isn't it?
Yes, sir. There is that option also only I have used.
So did you feel comfortable with that?
Yes, sir. That was good. It was good.
So that experience using virtual calculator only for the mock exams in your case, was it sufficient to tackle the questions in the actual gate examination? That experience sufficient?
Yes, sir. The virtual calculator is only there's small difference between our scientific calculator. Once you do some test, it becomes our practice to do. It never bothered me that.
Okay, right. That's fine. That's fine. Tenin, on the day of actual gate examination, right?
Yes, sir.
Did you follow any particular sequence of attempting the questions, like first technical, then aptitude, again technical?
Yes.
Any specific strategy that you have followed in that examination?
No, sir. I have not followed any strategies. I will look into one question. I think about that. If I can do that at that time, I will do it. If I cannot, I simply leave that and no go to the next question without wasting the time. And I will get some questions. I will not get some questions. And after in the second round, I will spend some time for the questions I did not get in the first round. I never wasted the time in the first round. I quickly go through all the questions.
Right. So the time was it sufficient for you to solve questions?
Yes, the time was good.
Okay, Tin, one I just want to go back to that previous area where I was asking questions. You said that there are two extra subjects that you have to focus in the instrumentation syllabus.
Yes, sir.
Is it not compared to electrical engineering?
Yes, sir.
So how did you prepare those two extra subjects of
The,
instrumentation?
actually, I never prepared for that subject. I prepared only for the electrical
Right, right,
subjects,
good.
and I have done only electrical questions.
Right.
In the
This is the
instrumentation questions, I
point
skipped that.
the aspirants of gate examiners should observe. What Tenin saying is that he did not prepare specifically for that two extra core subjects of instrumentation engineering.
Yes,
So
sir.
he just prepared only his regular electrical syllabus. With that syllabus, he attempted the instrumentation paper
Yes,
also. So instrumentation paper he got 58th rank.
yes, sir.
In electrical, he got 393 rank. Okay, fine. In instrumentation, 58th rank means what was the gate score, Mr. Tenin?
782.
782, instrumentation 58th rank
Yes, sir.
score. Okay. Electrical 393 rank. What is the score? Gate score?
760.
760. Okay, right. Because ultimately, in the MTech admission process, the score matters, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Only
The
the
score
score is.
matters. Okay, right. That's fine. Okay, Tinin. So from your experience, especially because you took that ES Deep Learn recorded classes, 12 months of subscription,
Yes, sir.
and based on that experience, what you got from that Deep Learn, and also while preparing for the gate examination, attempting the two papers, instrument electrical, can you make some suggestive tips to the aspirants of the gate examination?
The main point is revision. We have to do constant revision and the test series. The test series give us about the idea of the gate exam and the time management. And the main point is never panic in the examination hall. That's the main point. If you don't get a question, leave that question, do another question. Some questions you may get, some questions you won't get. Don't panic. Go through when the mind is clear. You may attempt the question that you don't get in the first round. That may get. Never panic. If we panic, we will ruin our examination.
Right. That's good. That's very valuable point, Mr. Tenin. So this what the aspirants of the GATE exam should observe, right? If not two question, three questions, there are remaining many
Yes,
questions
sir.
that you have to solve, isn't it?
We have to leave that question
You
without
should not
wasting any time.
panic just by seeing two, three questions, right? And any more specific suggestions for the electrical engineering students from your side?
Prepare all subjects. There is nothing like this subject has more weightage. Uh, uh, today, this GATE 22 paper, analog, I think analog electronics had more weightage. Analog electronics and electromagnetic field, that paper had more weightage comparatively than previous year. By viewing the trend, we can see that the weightage of this subject is low, and we prepare for the course. But nowadays, the trend is changing, and every subject has its own value. So prepare every subject, complete full syllabus, and do random revision.
Right. Good suggestions, Tenin. Good suggestions. Lastly, one question to you. So, what are you going to do with this gate rank?
Sir, I'm going to pursue MTech from any reputed IITs.
Any idea of specialization that you want to take up?
Sir, I would like to do in power electronics, and then in second preference is VLSI.
Okay, that's okay. You can think of further on this one, right? If you get to VLSI, you can think of VLSI itself, isn't it?
Yes, sir. VLSI has good placements and
Yeah.
something.
Why did you try VLSI? Why you want to go for power electronics? Any reason?
Sir, from the BTech time, I really love the power electronics subject. Uh, and it's the direct core of the electrical engineering branch.
Mm.
And in VLSI, we have good package, but my interest is towards power electronics. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Right. Okay, Tinin. I wish you good luck in all your future endeavors, and thank
Thank
you
you.
for giving this interview and sharing the useful points with us.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, all the best, Tenin. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.